Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got these Runpaws for my little puppy here. And these are supposed to go on her little feet, I guess, and make it so she can go out in the hot pavement or into the cold in the winter time without getting snow and stuff all messed up in her paws. And oh my God, these are the cutest things ever. So look at these. They've got the little rubber things, the little paw prints on it, and it goes over their feet and then Velcro's on. So I'll show you guys what this looks like on my little pup here. Good girl, Penny. So it goes on like that, and then we just can Velcro it on. There. What do you think, Penny? I don't know. We'll see. But she'll like it when she wants to go out for a walk, and we are able to. Let's see if we put that on there. Put these on there. Not too hard to put on. My little puppy needs her little toes clipped, I think. You need your little toenails clipped, don't you, Penny? Good girl. But you see, not so hard to put on. I'm not putting them on great, but the idea would be to put them on a little better. I'm trying to show you guys, so I'm not trying to cover the camera, but if I did, I would probably stick her in my lap, kind of hold her down a little better, putting these things on her, but you get the idea. Well, this one, yeah, it can kind of go up over her ankle, I guess. I don't know what you call that part of her. But let's see, so there's 3, and then 1 more. Uno más, Penny. Uno más. 1 more. Let's see, let's get this one on here. Oh, there we go. There we go, good girl. I don't know why you're so okay with all this. Okay, so there she is with that, and this is it. This is her with her little paws on. Oh, look how cute you look. She looks so freaking cute on there. Don't you look cute? Don't you look cute? Good girl. Good girl. Woo! Come get it. Good girl. Good girl. Oh yeah. So that's it. So we can take her outside and walk with her little paws on there like that and keep her nice and clean and everything else. So kind of cool. I like these. These are good. It seems to stay on pretty good. She doesn't seem to mind it too much. That's kind of nice too. So they must be really comfortable, because she doesn't like anything on. She likes to be naked. But there we go. You like that, huh, Penny? Good girl. Good girl. Oh, that's my girl. Good girl. Thumbs up for sure.